In this video, I will cover 300 basic agriculture MCQs for the preparation of competitive exams. Number 1. Which of the following is not primary factor influencing crop growth? Light, water, soil texture, temperature. Correct option, soil texture. Number 2. Photosynthesis is the process by which plant convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen, sunlight into energy, glucose and oxygen into carbon dioxide and water and nutrient into minerals. Correct option A. Carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Number 3. Which nutrient is known as the king of fertilizer due to its importance for plant growth? Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium. A. Nitrogen. Correct option is A. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is known as king of fertilizers. Number 4. The process of transferring pollen from male pod anther to the female pod stigma of a flower is called pollination, fertilization, germination, photosynthesis. Correct option A. Pollination. Number 5. Which of the following farming practices involves the cultivation of crop and rearing of animals together in the same area? Monoculture, polyculture, mixed farming, intensive farming. C. Mixed farming. Number 6. Which soil type has the smallest particles and retain water the best? Sand, silt, clay, loam. Correct option C. Clay. Number 7. Crop rotation is primarily used to improve soil fertility and reduce pest, increase crop yield, ensure uniform growth of crop, reduce water consumption. Correct option A. Improve soil fertility and reduce pest. Number 8. Which of the following is not a micronutrient essential for plant growth? Iron, calcium, zinc, manganese. Correct option B. Calcium. Number 9. Which farming method involve the use of natural predators, crop rotation and biological controls to manage pest and disease? Organic farming, conventional farming, hydroponics, biodynamic farming. Correct option A. Organic farming. Number 10. Which of the following is leguminous crop that is commonly used as cover crop to fix nitrogen in the soil? Wheat, barley, oat, clover. Correct option D. Clover. Number 11. Which of the following is not a method of vegetative propagation? Grafting, budding, seed sowing, layering. Seed sowing. Correct option C. Which farming method involves growing crop without soil using nutrient rich water instead? Hydroponics, aeroponics, aquaponics, greenhouse farming. Correct option A. Hydroponics. Number 13. Which process involves the breakdown of organic matter by microorganisms into simpler substances? A. Fertilization. B. Decomposition. C. Respiration. D. Photosynthesis. Correct option B. Decomposition. 14. The practice of growing a single crop on a large scale over a vast area is known as A. Polyculture, B. Monoculture, C. Mixed farming, D. Agroforestry. B. Monoculture. 15. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Oxygen, D. Nitrous oxide. Correct option C. Oxygen. 16. Which type of irrigation delivers water directly to the root zone of plant through a network of pipes and tubes? A. Drip irrigation, B. Flood irrigation, C. Sprinkler irrigation, D. Surface irrigation. Correct option A. Drip irrigation. 17. Which of the following is an example of a cash crop? A. Wheat, B. Maize, C. Cotton, D. Clover. C. Cotton. Next question. Which agricultural practices involves growing trees and crops together on the same piece of land? A. Mixed cropping, B. alley cropping, C. Monoculture, D. Polyculture. Correct option B. alley culture. 19. Which of the following nutrient is known as a micronutrient required is in large quantities by a plant? A. Iron, B. Zinc, C. Potassium, D. Boron. Correct option C. Potassium. 20. Which term describe the process of plant losing water through their leaves? A. Evaporation, B. Transpiration, C. Condensation, D. Precipitation. Correct option B. Transpiration. 21. Which agricultural practices involves the deliberate burning of crop residue to clear fields and control pests? A. Slash and burn, B. No-till farming, C. Organic farming, D. Precision farming. Correct option A. Slash and burn. Next question 22. Which of the following nutrient is primarily responsible for promoting root growth in plants? A. Nitrogen, B. Phosphorus, C. Magnesium, D. Sulfur. B. Phosphorus. Next question 23. Which term describe the process of breaking down complex organic compounds into simpler ones with the help of enzymes? A. Respiration, B. Fermentation, C. Decomposition, D. Hydrolysis. Correct option D. Hydrolysis. 24. Which type of farming involves the use of natural resources and traditional farming methods without synthetic inputs? A. Conventional farming, B. Precision farming, C. Organic farming, D. Biodynamic farming. Correct option C. Organic farming. 25. Which farming practices involves growing crop on slope with alternating rows of vegetation to reduce soil erosion? A. Terracing, B. Counter farming, C. Shelter belt, D. Strip cropping. Correct option B. Counter farming. 26. Which of the following is not a method of soil conservation? A. Crop rotation, B. Desertification, C. Mulching, D. Terracing. Correct option B, desertification. 27. Which term describe the practices of selecting and breeding plants with desirable traits for future generation? A. Cross pollination. B. Genetic modification. C. Artificial selection. D. Hybridization. Correct option C. Artificial selection. 28. Which of the following is an example of leguminous crop that enriches the soil with nitrogen? A. Wheat. B. Barley. C. Oats. D. Soybeans. Correct option D. Soybeans. 29. Which agricultural practices involves the cultivation of marine organisms for food and other products? A. Aquaculture. B. Hydroponics. C. Sericulture. D. Apiculture. Correct option A. Aquaculture. 30. Which term describe the practices of growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land in a fixed pattern? A. Monoculture. B. Polyculture. C. Mixed cropping. D. Intercropping. Correct option D. Intercropping. 31. Which of the following is not a primary nutrient essential for plant growth? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Calcium. D. Potassium. Correct option C. Calcium. 32. Which of the following is a beneficial soil organism that form symbiotic relationship with leguminous plant to fix nitrogen? A. Earthworm. B. Rhizobium bacteria. C. Fungus. D. Nematode. B. Rhizobium bacteria. 33. Which term describe the process of rotating crop in a scientific sequence to maintain soil fertility and prevent pest buildup? A. Monoculture. B. Crop rotation. C. Mixed cropping. D. Intercropping. Correct option B. Crop rotation. 34. Which of the following farming practices aims to minimize soil disturbance and maintain soil health? A. No-till farming. B. Organic farming. C. Biodynamic farming. D. Conventional farming. A. No-till farming. 35. Which nutrient deficiency in plants is characterized by yellowing of leaves, especially between veins? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Iron. D. Potassium. Correct option C. Iron. 36. Which of the following is a method of organic pest control that involves attracting natural predators to control pest? A. Genetic modification. B. Integrated pest management. C. Pesticide spraying. D. Herbicide application. Correct option B. IPM, integrated pest management. 37. Which type of soil has a balanced mixture of sand, silt and clay particles, making it ideal for agriculture? A. Sandy soil. B. Loamy soil. C. Clay soil. D. Peaty soil. B. Loamy soil. 38. Which farming practices involves the use of natural materials such as compost and manure instead of synthetic fertilizers? A. Conventional farming. Organic farming. Precision farming. hydroponic farming. Correct option B. Organic farming. 39. Which term describes the process of transferring pollen from one flower to another flower on the same plant? A. Self pollination, cross pollination, C. Pollination, D. Fertilization. Correct option A. Self pollination. 40. Which of the following is not a method of seed dispersal used by plants? A. Wind, B. Water, C. Bacteria, D. Animals. C. Bacteria. Correct option C. Bacteria. 41. Which of the following is a method of water conservation in agricultural that involves collecting rainwater for later use? Drip irrigation, B. Sprinkler irrigation, C. Rainwater harvesting, D. Flood irrigation. Correct option C. Rainwater harvesting. Or vertically suspended systems? A. Hydroponics, B. Aeroponics, C. Vertical farming, D. Aquaponics. Correct option C. Vertical farming. 43. Which of the following is an example of perennial crop that lives for several years and produce multiple harvests? A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Sugarcane, D. Apple. Correct option D. Apple. 44. Which term describe the practices of covering soil with organic material to retain moisture and suppress weed growth? A. Mulching, B. Tilling, C. Composting, D. Covered cropping. Correct option A. Mulching. 45. Which agricultural practices involve the selective breeding of animals for desired traits such as milk production or meat quality? A. Genetic modification, B. Artificial selection, C. Crossbreeding, D. Hybridization. Correct option B. Artificial selection. 46. Which of the following is an example of leguminous covered crop used to enrich the soil with nitrogen? A. Wheat, B. Barley, C. Oat, D. Alfalfa. Correct option D. Alfalfa. 47. Which farming technique involves growing crops without the use of soil using nutrient rich water instead? A. Hydroponic, B. Aquaculture, C. Aeroponics, D. Sericulture. A. Hydroponics. 48. Which term describe the practices of planting crops in alternate rows to reduce soil erosion? A. Terracing, B. Counter farming, C. Strip cropping, D. alley cropping. Correct option B. Counter farming. 49. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas contributing to climate change? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Methane, D. Nitrous oxide. Correct option B. Oxygen. 50. Which term describe the practices of using plant to remove contaminants from soil or water? Phytoremediation, B. Bioremediation, C. Genetic modification, D. Hydroponics. Correct option A. Phytoremediation. 51. Which of the following is a method of soil conservation that involves planting tree to reduce wind erosion and provide habitat for wildlife? A. Mulching, B. Shelter belts, C. Covered cropping, D. Terracing. Correct option B. Shelter belts. 52. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of older leaf and stunted growth? A. Nitrogen, B. Phosphorus, C. Potassium, D. Magnesium. Correct option D. Magnesium. 53. Which agricultural practices involves the use of natural predators, parasites and pathogens to control pests and disease? A. Integrated pest management, B. Organic farming, C. Conventional farming, D. Biodynamic farming. Correct option A. Integrated pest management. 54. Which type of soil has the largest particles and drains water most efficiently? A. Clay soil, B. Loamy soil, C. Sandy soil, D. Peaty soil. Correct option C. Sandy soil. 55. Which farming practices involves the cultivation of aquatic organisms such as fish and shellfish? A. Hydroponics, B. Aquaculture, C. Sericulture, D. Apiculture. Correct option B. Aquaculture. 56. Which of the following is a biennial plant that stores food in its swollen taproot and is often used as a fodder crop? A. Carrot, B. Turnip, C. Radish, D. Beetroot. Correct option B. Turnip. 57. Which term describe the process of gradually adjusting plants to a new environment before transplanting them? A. Accli A. A. Acclimatization, B. Translocation, C. Adaptation, D. Transpiration. Correct option A. Acclimatization. 58. Which agricultural practices involves the control application of water to crop at regular interval? A. Drip irrigation, B. Sprinkler irrigation, C. Flood irrigation, D. Rain-fed agriculture. Correct option B. Sprinkler irrigation. 59. Which of the following is a method of soil conservation that involves leaving crop residue on the soil surface after harvest? A. No-till farming, B. Strip cropping, C. Counter farming, D. Conservation tillage. Correct option D. Conservation tillage. 60. Which term describe the practices of growing crop and trees together to provide mutual benefits such as nutrient cycling and pest control? A. Polyculture, B. Agroforestry, C. Mixed cropping, D. Monoculture. Correct option B. Agroforestry. 61. Which of the following is an example of cereal crop commonly used for making bread and other baked goods? A. Soybean, B. Rice, C. barley, D. cotton. Correct option C. barley. Next question 62. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaf with green veins? A. Nitrogen, B. Iron, C. Phosphorus, D. Potassium. B. Iron. 63. Which farming practices involves the use of biological agents such as bacteria and fungi to break down organic matter in the soil? A. Biodynamic farming, B. Integrated pest management, C. Bioremediation, D. No-till farming. 64. Which type of irrigation delivers water directly to the root zone of plant through buried pipes with emitters? A. Flood irrigation, B. Drip irrigation, C. Sprinkler irrigation, D. Surface irrigation. Correct option B. Drip irrigation. 65. Which term describe the surface of planting different crop in alternating rows to reduce pest infestation and improve soil health? A. Mixed cropping, B. Intercropping, C. Polyculture, D. Crop rotation. B. Intercropping. Next question 66. Which of the following is an example of cover crop used to suppress weeds and improve soil fertility? A. Wheat, B. Clover, C. Barley, D. Rice. Correct option B. Clover. 67. Which agricultural practices involves the application of controlled heat to kill weed, seeds and pathogen in soil? Soil fumigation, B. Mulching, C. Composting, D. Conservation tillage. Correct option A. Soil fumigation. 68. Which of the following nutrient is essential for chlorophyll formation and photosynthesis in plants? A. Nitrogen, B. Phosphorus, C. Potassium, D. Magnesium. Correct option D. Magnesium. 69. Which term describe the process of converting atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form by plants? A. Nitrification, B. Denitrification, C. Nitrogen fixation, D. Nitrogen assimilation. Correct option C. Nitrogen fixation. 70. Which agricultural practices involves the cultivation of silkworm for the production of silk? Apiculture, B. Sericulture, C. Aquaculture, D. Vermicomposting. Correct option B. Sericulture. 71. Which of the following is a method of soil conservation that involves planting crop in curved rows along the counter of slope? A. Mulching, B. Terracing, C. Strip cropping, D. Counter farming. Correct option D. Counter farming. 72. Which of the following is an example of a leguminous crop that improves soil fertility by fixing nitrogen? A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Soybean, D. Corn. Correct option C. Soybean. 73. Which farming technique involves growing plant in water without soil supported by a medium like gravel or perlite? A. Hydroponic, B. Aquaculture, C. Aeroponics, D. Polyculture. Correct option D. Polyculture. 74. Which term describes the process of plant absorbing water from the soil through their roots? A. Transpiration. B. Respiration. C. Translocation. D. Absorption. D. Absorption. 75. Which of the following is a method of weed control that involves removing weeds manually using tool or machinery? A. Herbicides application. B. Tillage. C. Mulching. D. Hand weeding. Correct option D. Hand weeding. 76. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by purpling of leaves and poor fruit development? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Potassium. D. Magnesium. Correct option B. Phosphorus. 77. Which agricultural practices involves planting single crop species or over a large area year after year? Monoculture. B. Polyculture. C. Mixed cropping. D. Agroforestry. Correct option A. Monoculture. 78. Which of the following is a method of organic pest control that involves using plant to repel pests or attack beneficial insects? A. Biological control. B. Trap cropping. C. Genetic modification. D. Pesticide spraying. B. Trap cropping. 79. Which term describe the practices of delaying planting or sowing until optimal environment condition? A. Germination. B. Dormancy. C. Stratification. D. Season extension. Correct option D. Season extension. 80. Which agricultural practices involve the use of genetically modified organisms to enhance crop traits such as pest resistance or nutrient content? A. Organic farming. B. Conventional farming. C. Biodynamic farming. D. Genetic engineering. D. Genetic engineering. 81. Which of the following is an example of perennial crop that grow back year after year without needing replanting? A. Wheat. B. Corn. C. Rice. D. Apple. Correct option D. Apple. 82. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins starting from tips? A. Nitrogen. B. Iron. C. Magnesium. D. Potassium. Correct option D. Potassium. 83. Which term describe the practices of artificial providing water to crop during period of inadequate rainfall? A. Irrigation. B. Drainage. C. Fertilization. D. Mulching. Correct option D. Mulching. 84. Which farming technique involves the cultivation of crop in raised bed or mounds to improve drainage and soil warmth? A. Raised bed farming. B. No till farming. C. Strip cropping. D. LA cropping. Correct option D. LA cropping. 85. Which of the following is an example of cash crop grown for sale rather than for personal consumption? A. Tomato. B. Potato. C. Cotton. D. Onion. Correct option C. Cotton. 86. Which agricultural practices involve the use of beneficial bacteria and fungi to improve soil structure and nutrient availability? A. Biodynamic farming. C. Bioremediation. B. Integrated pest management. C. Soil inoculation. Correct option D. Soil inoculation. 87. Which term describe the process of selecting and breeding animals for specific traits such as milk production or meat quality? A. Artificial selection. B. Hybridization. C. Crossbreeding. D. Genetic modification. Correct option A. Artificial selection. 88. Which of the following is an example of cover crop used to suppress weeds and improve soil fertility during fallow periods? A. Corn. B. Wheat. C. Rye. D. Rice. Correct option C. Rye. 89. Which agricultural practices involve the use of natural predators, parasites and pathogens to control pest diseases? A. Organic farming. B. Integrated pest management. C. Conventional farming. D. No-till farming. Correct option B. Integrated pest management. 90. Which term describe the practices of transferring pollen from one flower to another flower on a different plant of the same species? A. Self-pollination. B. Cross-pollination. C. Pollination. D. Fertilization. B. Cross-pollination. 91. Which of the following is a method of soil conservation that involves digging trenches to prevent water runoff and soil erosion? A. Mulching. B. Terracing. C. Counterbudding. D. Cover cropping. C. Counterbunding. 92. Which nutrient deficiency in plants is characterized by yellowing of leaves starting from bottom of the plant? A. Nitrogen. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Zinc. Correct option A. Nitrogen. 93. Which agricultural practices involves the use of living organisms such as bacteria and fungi to improve soil fertility and health? A. Biodynamic farming. B. Organic farming. C. Biological farming. D. No-till farming. Correct option C. Biological farming. 94. Which of the following is a method of weed control that involves applying chemicals to kill or inhibit weed growth? A. Mulching. B. Tillage. C. Herbicide application. D. Crop rotation. Correct option C. Herbicide application. 95. Which term describe the practices of exposing seeds to low temperature to break dormancy and stimulate germination? A. Stratification. B. Scarification. C. Season extension. D. Dormancy breaking. Correct option A. Stratification. 96. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins and red or purple coloration on stems and petioles? A. Iron. B. Phosphorus. C. Magnesium. D. Potassium. Correct option A. Iron. 97. Which of the following is an example of perennial crop commonly used for producing oil? A. Wheat. B. Barley. C. Soybean. D. Cotton. C. Soybean. Correct option C. Soybean. 98. Which agricultural practices involve the rotation of different crop in the same field in sequential season? A. Monoculture. B. Polyculture. C. Mixed cropping. D. Crop rotation. Correct option D. Crop rotation. 99. Which term describe the practices of growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land in specific pattern? A. Monoculture. B. Polyculture. C. Intercropping. D. Agroforestry. Correct option C. Intercropping. 100. Which of the following is an example of a leguminous crop commonly used for green manure? A. Wheat. B. Oat. C. Alfalfa. D. Rice. Correct option C. Alfalfa. 101. Which farming practices involves the use of raised bed or mounds to improve soil drainage and warmth? A. Red bed farming. No-till farming. C. Strip cropping. D. Alley cropping. A. Raised bed farming. 102. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaf with green veins and poor flowering? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Potassium. D. Magnesium. Correct option C. Potassium. 103. Which term describe the process of separating seed from harvested crops? A. Threshing. B. Winnowing. C. Harvesting. D. Sowing. Correct option A. Threshing. 104. Which agricultural practices involve the selection and breeding of plant for specific traits to create new varieties? A. Hybridization. B. Genetic modification. C. Artificial selection. D. Cross breeding. Correct option C. Artificial selection. 105. Which of the following is a method of soil conservation that involves covering soil with organic or synthetic materials? A. No-till farming. B. Strip cropping. C. Mulching. D. Counter farming. Correct option C. Mulching. 106. Which term describe the process of breaking up soil to prepare it for planting? A. Mulching. B. Tilling. C. Threshing. D. Winnowing. Correct option B. Tilling. 107. Which agricultural practices involve the use of natural materials such as compost and animal manure to improve soil fertility? A. Conventional farming. B. Organic farming. C. Hydroponic farming. D. Biodynamic farming. Correct option B. Organic farming. 108. Which term describe the practices of protecting crop from adverse weather condition and pests using structures such as greenhouses? A. Precision farming. B. Protected cultivation. C. Integrated farming. D. Sustainable farming. Correct option B. Protected cultivation. 109. Which of the following is an example of method used to preserve harvested crop for long-term storage? A. Canning. B. Pickling. C. Fermentation. D. Drying. Correct option D. Drying. 110. Which agricultural practices involve the use of techniques to maximize yield and minimize inputs such as water and fertilizers? A. Traditional farming. B. Precision farming. C. Biodynamic farming. D. Organic farming. Correct option B. Precision farming. 111. Which of the following is a method of organic farming that involves planting different crops together to benefits from their complementary characteristics. A. Monoculture. B. Polyculture. C. Mixed cropping. D. Intercropping. Correct option D. Intercropping. 112. Which nutrient deficiency in plants is characterized by yellowing of leaf with green veins and poor fruit development? Correct option C. Potassium. 113. Which agricultural practices involve the use of biological method to control pests and disease, reducing reliance on synthetic chemicals? A. Conventional farming. B. Organic farming. C. Precision farming. D. Hydroponic farming. Correct option B. Organic farming. 114. Which term describe the practices of adding organic or synthetic material to soil to improve its physical and chemical properties? A. Soil sterilization. B. Soil conservation. C. Soil amendment. D. Soil erosion. Correct option C. Soil amendment. 115. Which of the following is a method of weed control that involves covering soil with material like plastic or fabric to prevent weed growth? A. Herbicide application. B. Tillage. C. Mulching. D. Hand weeding. Correct option C. Mulching. 116. Which nutrient deficiency in plants is characterized by yellowing of leaves starting from the tips and between veins? A. Nitrogen. B. Iron. C. Phosphorus. D. Zinc. Correct option A. Nitrogen. 117. Which agricultural practices involve the cultivation of plants and aquatic organisms together in symbiotic environment? A. Hydroponics. B. Aquaculture. C. Aeroponic. D. Polyculture. Correct option B. Aquaculture. 118. Which term describe the process of removing salt and other chemicals from the soil to improve fertility? A. Salinization. B. Liming. C. Leaching. D. Soil remediation. Correct option C. Leaching. 119. Which farming technique involves growing plant in nutrient rich water without soil using a mist or spray to deliver nutrients? A. Hydroponic. B. Aeroponics. C. Aquaculture. D. Polyculture. Correct option B. Aeroponics. 120. Which of the following is an example of perennial crop commonly used for grazing livestock? A. Wheat. B. Corn. C. Alfalfa. D. Rice. Correct option C. Alfalfa. 121. Which term describe the practices of delaying the planting of crop until the optimal time for growth and development? A. Season growth. B. Acclimatization. C. Dormancy breaking. D. Seasonal planting. Correct option A. Season extension. 121. 122. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaf with green veins and poor root development? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Potassium. D. Calcium. Correct option D. Calcium. 123. Which term describe the practices of growing crops and trees together to provide mutual benefits such as nutrient recycling and pest control? A. Agroforestry. B. Polyculture. C. Mixed cropping. D. Monoculture. Correct option A. Agroforestry. 124. Which agricultural practices involves the use of natural or synthetic materials to protect crop from adverse weather conditions? A. Greenhouse farming. B. Precision farming. C. Protected cultivation. D. Sustainable farming. Correct option C. Protected cultivation. 125. Which of the following is a method of crop propagation that involves planting a pot of plants such as stem or leaf to grow a new plant? A. Grafting. B. Budding. C. Layering. D. Cutting. Correct option D. Cutting. 126. Which term describe the process of breaking down organic matter into simpler substances by microorganism? A. Respiration. B. Decomposition. C. Photosynthesis. D. Fermentation. Correct option B. Decomposition. 127. Which agricultural practices involves the planting of different crop in the same yield in alternating rows or patches? A. Crop rotation. B. Strip cropping. C. Intercropping. D. Monoculture. Correct option C. Intercropping. 128. Which term describe the practices of adding nutrient to soil to improve its fertility and support plant growth? A. Fertilization. B. Irrigation. C. Mulching. D. Liming. Correct option A. Fertilization. 129. Which of the following is an example of method used to propagate plant by joining two different plant varieties together? A. Grafting. B. Layering. C. Cutting. D. Budding. Correct option A. Grafting. 130. Which agricultural practices involve the use of digital technology and data analytics to optimize crop production? A. Organic farming. B. Precision farming. C. Conventional farming. D. Biodynamic farming. Correct option B. Precision farming. 131. Which of the following is a method of soil conservation that involves planting crop in a series of step-on-step slopes? A. Mulching. B. Counter farming. C. Terracing. D. No-till farming. Correct option C. Terracing. 132. Which nutrient deficiency in plants is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins, especially in younger leaves? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Potassium. D. Magnesium. Correct option A. Nitrogen. 133. Which agricultural practices involve the use of plant to extract heavy metals and pollutant from contaminated soil? A. Phytoremediation. B. No-till farming. C. Crop rotation. D. Biodynamic farming. Correct option A. Phytoremediation. 134. Which term describe the practices of rotating livestock between different pasture to prevent overgrazing and improve soil fertility? A. Silvopasture. B. Rotational grazing. C. Intensive grazing. D. Continuous grazing. B. Rotational grazing. 135. Which of the following is a method of pest control that involves releasing natural enemies of pests to reduce their population? A. Herbicide application. B. Pesticide spraying. C. Biological control. D. Cultural control. Correct option C. Biological control. 136. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins and poor flower formation? Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Potassium. D. Calcium. Correct option C. Potassium. 137. Which agricultural practices involves growing plant without soil using a nutrient-rich solution to deliver essential minerals? A. Hydroponics. B. Aquaculture. C. Aeroponics. D. Polyculture. Correct option A. Hydroponics. 138. Which term describes the practices of adding beneficial microorganisms to soil to enhance nutrient availability and plant health? Soil sterilization, soil inoculation, soil conservation, soil remediation. Correct option B. Soil inoculation. 139. Which farming technique involves growing crop on mounds or ridges to improve drainage and soil warmth? A. Raised bed farming. B. No-till farming. C. Strip cropping. D. alley cropping. Correct option A. Raised bed farming. 140. Which of the following is an example of perennial crop commonly used for erosion control and as a windbreak? A. Wheat. B. Barley. C. Alfalfa. D. Fescue. Correct option D. Fescue. 141. Which term describe the practices of adjusting plant to a new environment before transplanting them into the field? A. Acclimatization. B. Transplanting. C. Adaptation. D. Transpiration. Correct option A. Acclimatization. 142. Which nutrient deficiency in plants is characterized by yellowing of leaf with green veins and necrotic spots? A. Nitrogen. B. Iron. C. Magnesium. D. Zinc. Correct option D. Zinc. 143. Which agriculture practices involve the cultivation of trees and crops together to optimize land use and improve biodiversity? A. Agroforestry. B. Monoculture. C. Polyculture. D. Mixed culture. Mixed cropping. Correct option A. Agroforestry. 144. Which term describe the practices of providing nutrients to plants through water, typically using soluble fertilizers? A. Fertigation. B. Mulching. C. Composting. D. Liming. Correct option A. Fertigation. 145. Which agricultural practices involves the planting of different crop in alternating strips to reduce soil erosion and nutrient loss? A. Crop rotation. B. Counter farming. C. Strip cropping. D. Intercropping. Correct option C. Strip cropping. 146. Which term describe the process of removing excess salt from soil to improve its fertility and crop productivity? A. Desalination. B. Liming. C. Leaching. D. Salinization. Correct option C. Leaching. 147. Which agricultural practices involve the selective breeding of animals to improve desirable traits such as milk yield or meat quality? A. Artificial selection. B. Genetic engineering. C. Hybridization. D. Crossbreeding. Correct option D. Crossbreeding. 148. Which of the following is an example of method used to propagate plants by covering stems or branches with soil to encourage rooting? A. Grafting. B. Layering. C. Cutting. D. Budding. Correct option B. Layering. 149. Which agricultural practices involves the application of precise amount of water, fertilizers and pesticides to optimize crop production? A. Conventional farming. B. Organic farming. C. Precision farming. D. Sustainable farming. Correct option C. Precision farming. 150. Which term describes the practices of protecting crop from pest and disease using physical barriers such as nets or screen. A. Biological control. B. Mechanical control. C. Cultural control. D. Integrated pest management. Correct option B. Mechanical control. 151. Which of the following is a method of soil conservation that involves leaving crop residue on the soil surface to protect against erosion? A. Strip cropping. B. No-till farming. C. Conservation tillage. D. Mulching. Correct option D. Mulching. 152. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins and stunted growth? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Potassium. D. Magnesium. Correct option B. Phosphorus. 153. Which agricultural practices involves the management of plant nutrition, pest and disease using integrated approaches to minimize environment impact? A. Biodynamic farming. B. Integrated pest management. C. Precision farming. D. Sustainable farming. Correct option B. Integrated pest management. 154. Which term describe the practices of planting crop in alternate rows or patches to improve nutrient uptake and reduce pest infestation? A. Polyculture. B. Intercropping. C. Mixed cropping. D. Agroforestry. B. Intercropping. 155. Which of the following is a method of pest control that involves using physical barrier or traps to capture pests? A. Biological control. B. Pesticide spraying. C. Mechanical control. D. Culture control. Correct option C. Mechanical control. 156. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins and purple coloration on leaf under sides? A. Iron. B. Zinc. C. Magnesium. D. Calcium. Correct option B. Zinc. 157. Which agricultural practices involves the cultivation of the aquatic organisms such as fish and shrimps in controlled environment? A. Hydroponics. B. Aquaculture. C. Aeroponic. D. Polyculture. Correct option B. Aquaculture. 158. Which term describes the practices of using organic material like compost and manure to improve soil structure and fertility? A. Soil sterilization. B. Soil inoculation. C. Soil conservation. D. Soil amendment. Correct option D. Soil amendment. 159. Which farming technique involves growing crop in vertical stacks or layer, often indoor environment with controlled condition? A. Raised bed farming. B. Vertical farming. C. No-till farming. D. Strip cropping. Correct option B. Vertical farming. 160. Which of the following is an example of perennial crop commonly used for erosion control and soil stabilization? A. Wheatgrass. B. Barley. C. Timothy. D. Switchgrass. Correct option D. Switchgrass. 161. Which term describe the practices of adapting plants to a new environment by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions? A. Acclimatization. B. Transplanting. C. Season extension. D. Dormancy breaking. Correct option A. Acclimatization. 162. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaf with green veins and wilting or curling of leaf edges? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Potassium. D. Magnesium. Correct option C. Potassium. 163. Which agricultural practices involve the simultaneous cultivation of crop and livestock on the same piece of land? A. Agroforestry. B. Mixed farming. C. Monoculture. D. Biodynamic farming. Correct option B. Mixed farming. 164. Which term describe the practices of adding nutrient to soil to correct pH level and improve nutrient availability? A. Fertigation. B. Liming. C. Composting. D. Mulching. Correct option B. Liming. 165. Which agricultural practices involves the use of windbreaks and shelter belts to protect crops from wind erosion and damage? A. Greenhouse farming. B. Protected cultivation. C. Windrow farming. D. Silvopasture. Correct option D. Silvopasture. 166. Which term describe the practice of transferring pollen from male to the female part of the same flower? A. Self pollination. B. Cross pollination. C. Fertilization. Correct option A. Self pollination. 167. Which agricultural practices involve the use of beneficial insects and organisms to control pest population? A. Mechanical control. B. Biological control. C. Chemical control. D. Cultural control. B. Biological control. 168. Which of the following is an example of method used to propagate plant by joining a bud from one plant to another? A. Grafting. B. Layering. C. Cutting. D. Budding. Correct option D. Budding. 169. Which agricultural practices involves the use of drones and satellites imaging to monitor crop health and optimize management practices? A. Precision farming. B. Organic farming. C. Conventional farming. D. Biodynamic farming. Correct option A. Precision farming. 170. Which term describes the practices of controlling pest and disease by modifying farming practices and environmental conditions? A. Mechanical control. B. Biological control. C. Cultural control. D. Chemical control. Correct option C. Cultural control. 171. Which of the following is a method of soil conservation that involves planting tree or shrubs along the edges of fields to reduce wind erosion? A. Windbreak planting. B. Mulching. C. No-till farming. D. Cover cropping. Correct option A. Windbreak planting. 172. Which nutrient deficiency in plants is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins and poor seed or fruit development? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Potassium. D. Calcium. Correct option C. Potassium. 173. Which agricultural practices involves the planting of different crop in the same field in alternating strip or rows to improve soil fertility and pest management? A. Strip cropping. B. Intercropping. C. Mixed cropping. D. Monoculture. Correct option A. Strip cropping. 174. Which term describe the practices of using natural predators, parasites or pathogen to control pest population? A. Biological control. B. Mechanical control. C. Chemical control. D. Cultural control. Correct option A. Biological control. 175. Which of the following is a method of weed control that involves uprooting weed using manual labor or machinery? A. Herbicide application. B. Tillage. C. Mulching. D. Crop rotation. Correct option B. Tillage. 176. Which nutrient deficiency in plants is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins and reddish purple coloration on leaf undersides? A. Iron, zinc, C. Magnesium, D. Manganese. Correct option D. Manganese. 177. Which agricultural practices involves the cultivation of the plant without soil using a mist or nutrient solution to deliver essential minerals? A. Hydroponics, B. Aquaculture, C. Aeroponics, D. Polyculture. Correct option C. Aeroponics. 178. Which term describe the practices of adding organic materials to soil to improve its structure, water holding capacity and nutrient content? A. Soil sterilization, B. Soil inoculation, C. Soil conservation, D. Soil amendment. Correct option D. Soil amendment. 179. Which farming technique involves planting crop in furrows or ridges to improve water drainage and soil warmth? A. Raised bed farming, B. No-till farming, C. Steep cropping, D. Ridge tillage. Correct option D. Ridge tillage. 180. Which of the following is an example of perennial crop commonly used for erosion control and as a crop cover crop? A. Rye, B. Corn, C. Wheat, D. Sorghum. Correct option A. Rye. 181. Which term describe the practices of hardening of plants by gradually exposing them to outdoor condition before transplanting? A. Acclimatization, B. Transplanting, D. C. Adaptation, D. Gradual exposure. Correct option A. Acclimatization. 182. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaf with green veins and purple or brown leaf tips? A. Nitrogen, B. Phosphorus, C. Potassium, D. Boron. Correct option D. Boron. 183. Which agricultural practices involves the simultaneous cultivation of crop and trees to enhance biodiversity and sustainable land use? A. Agroforestry, B. Monoculture, C. Polyculture, D. Mixed culture. Correct option A. Agroforestry. 184. Which term describes the practices of applying nutrient to plant through irrigation water in soluble form? A. Fertigation, B. Liming, C. Composting, D. Mulching. Correct option A. Fertigation. 185. Which term describe the process of reducing soil pH to make it more suitable for specific crops? A. Alkalization, B. Acidification, C. Liming, D. Desalination. Correct option B. Acidification. 186. Which agricultural practices involves the controlled breeding of plants to develop new varieties with desired traits? A. Artificial selection, B. Genetic engineering, C. Hybridization, D. Cross breeding. Correct option C. Hybridization. 187. Which of the following is an example of method used to propagate plants by breeding a stem or branch underground to encourage root growth? A. Grafting, B. Layering, C. Cutting, D. Budding. Correct option B. Layering. 188. Which agricultural practices involves the use of technology and data analytics to optimize crop production and resource use? A. Precision farming, B. Organic farming, C. Conventional farming, D. Biodynamic farming. Correct option A. Precision farming. 191. Which agricultural practices involves planting crop in a manner that follow the natural counter of the land to reduce soil erosion? A. Steep cropping, B. Counter farming, C. Mixed cropping, D. Monoculture. Correct option B. Counter farming. 192. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins and mottling or intervenial chlorosis? A. Iron. B. Zinc. C. Magnesium. D. Molybdenum. Correct option D. Molybdenum. 193. Which agricultural practices involves the cultivation of the plants in nutrient-rich water without soil? A. Hydroponic. B. Aquaculture. C. Aeroponic. D. Polyculture. A. Hydroponic. 194. Which term describes the practices of adding beneficial microorganisms to soil to improve nutrient availability and plant health? A. Soil sterilization. B. Soil inoculation. C. Soil conservation. D. Soil remediation. Correct option B. Soil inoculation. 195. Which farming technique involves planting crop on raised mounds or beds to improve soil drainage and warm the soil faster in spring? A. Raised bed farming. B. No-till farming. C. Steep cropping. D. Ridge tillage. Correct option A. Raised bed farming. 196. Which of the following is an example of perennial crop commonly used for erosion control and as a forage crop for livestock? A. Timothy. B. Corn. C. Barley. D. Oat. A. Timothy. 197. Which term describes the practice of gradually exposing plants to outdoor conditions before transplanting them into the field? A. Hardening of. B. Transplanting. C. Acclimatization. D. Dormancy breaking. Correct option A. Hardening of. 198. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaves with green veins and leaf curling or cupping? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Potassium. D. Magnesium. C. Potassium. 199. Which agricultural practices involves the simultaneous cultivation of crop and livestock on the same piece of land, often in rotation? A. Agroforestry. B. Mixed farming. C. Monoculture. D. Biodynamic farming. Correct option B. Mixed farming. 200. Which term describe the practice of adding nutrient to plant through irrigation water to improve nutrient uptake? A. Fertigation. B. Liming. C. Composting. D. Mulching. Correct option A. Fertigation. 201. Which term describe the process of improve excess salt from soil to improve its fertility and crop productivity? A. Desalination. B. Liming. C. Leaching. D. Salinization. Correct option C. Leaching. 202. Which agricultural practices involves the controlled breeding of plants to develop new varieties with desirable traits? A. Artificial selection. B. Genetic engineering. C. Hybridization. D. Cross breeding. Correct option C. Hybridization. 211. Which nutrient deficiency in plant is characterized by yellowing of leaf with green veins and mottling or intervenial chlorosis? A. Iron. B. Zinc. C. Magnesium. D. Molybdenum. Correct option D. Molybdenum. 212. Which of the following is a method of weed control that involves covering the soil with layer of organic or synthetic material? A. Herbicide application. B. Tillage. C. Mulching. D. Crop rotation. Correct option C. Mulching. Hope you like the video.